What you having for lunch today? Huh? What you having for lunch today? Let me show you what I'm having for lunch. Let me show you. Hold on, let me get a little closer. Broccoli. What you having for lunch today? I'm having broccoli, and soba noodles. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to this video and share this video because I'm going to teach you how to make hot pot.
More prayer, more power. More prayer, more power. More prayer, more power.
So I'm having hot pot. I'm having my broccoli, and I always eat with a crystal. I always make sure that I have a crystal on my table. It just makes me happy to have crystals. Eating with crystals. Here I have my hot pot, which is water with sesame seeds, olive oil, and some balsamic vinegar. And guess what I'm having? Oh, and I'm drinking my fancy water, sparkling water. Yeah, sparkling water. And I'm having soba noodles. So these are Japanese noodles. So they soba noodles. So I'm having them with my chopsticks. So yeah. So you can cook your soba noodles. It takes about 8 minutes, I found, to make them perfect. And then you strain them and you wash them, and then you can just make your little pot like this. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. So I'm going to put my vegetables in here, and I've got some squash cooking. I just need to make it just a little bit soft, like steaming it, and then I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to have squash, broccoli, soba noodles, and it's going to be a day. It's going to be an incredible lunch and a fancy water.
Cheers to the good life. I'm getting some sun. It's so amazing. You don't need to eat out every single day of the week to have a good life. You don't need to eat fancy to have a good life. You can still have a very beautiful vegetarian or vegan diet or pescatarian diet, or even if you're a meat eater. Some people need to eat meat because their body needs meat. Yeah, it just sits in my stomach and it gives me tummy aches. So yeah, but I've never been a meat eater. Even though I grew up in a family that had a butchery, meat was just never my thing. I never loved eating meat. It was just never my thing. Vegetables. Cheers to the good life. Oh, bless your water. You know, I forgot to bless my waters. Oh my goodness. Oh, Spirit of the waters, I am so thankful for my good life. Spirit of the waters, thank you so much. Bless this water as it nourishes my body temple. Ooh, and quenches my thirst to know myself and to know whose I am. And because I know whose I am, I know whom I am. You know, I wanted to tell you something about this stuff. Yeah. So I am almost finished with the Radiance. Yeah, I'm almost finished with Radiance. And now that I'm finished with Radiance, I'm waiting for my hot pot to get hot. So I'm just going to talk to you in the meantime. Now that I'm finished with Radiance, it's a very powerful program because it's like therapy on steroids. If you think about therapy is like minimum $150 a session, which is 50 minutes. So I decided that no, people need to have a lot of therapy because we're so traumatized. The nature of human is trauma. So I decided that we're going to have 5 therapy sessions a month. One live group one for the women and for the men. So there's going to be different ones. For men, I'm going to call it something else because guys, you need to work on this stuff. Honestly, guys, you need to work on your mental health. Yeah, guys, you know me, love you long time, guys. Cheers to the good life. You know, guys, I love you a long time, guys. I really do love you so much. I love men. Oh my God, I love men. Good men. Not the garbages. I don't want garbages in my life. No more garbages. No more garbages. But garbages help you define your boundaries and say, oh no more to garbages. No more to garbages. So, but guys, I really love you a lot. And I know it's really important for you guys to get therapy because some of you grew up with some crazy mothers. And you need this like guidance. I'm not saying you don't have leadership. I'm not saying you can't do it on your own. But guys, you need therapy. You guys, honestly, you need therapy. You need therapy just as much as we women need therapy. You men need therapy, but like as women, we need therapy from a different perspective. We're like, girl, let me tell you about my troubles. No, girl, no troubles. We're gonna have one group session a month. It's going to be live, and we're going to do a healing session during that group therapy. But everything you need to go on this path solo. Hey, woman. No talking to your girlfriends about the stuff. Girl, let's go drink some cocktails. No. We're not going to do this. You're going to sit down and do this work. And if you don't do this work, here's the thing. You're going to die because everybody's going to die. But you're going to go to the hell realm that you died in. So if you're being abused in this situation now and you're living through hell and you die in this hell, that means the next lifetime you're going to be born in this hell or worse. Oh, but I'm not Buddhist, so I don't believe in that. Okay, just because in Christianity they didn't tell you about reincarnation doesn't mean that it's not real. God does not die. Energy cannot be destroyed. You are an energy being. You are a spiritual being having a spiritual experience in a human body. You come from spirit. So how could you have anything else on planet Earth but a spiritual experience in a human body? Meaning when you die, if you're dying in abuse, you're dying in lack consciousness, you're dying in diseases and all of these things, narcissism, you're going to be reborn in this hell again. Honestly, you're going to be reborn in this hell and it might be worse. You're going to go into a hell realm and it might be worse than what you're living now. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to be truthful. They say I'm ruthless. I say, no, I'm not ruthless. I'm just truthful. It doesn't come with love and light, but no, truthfully, I am not ruthless. I am just truthful. I need to shave my hair before I go back into the monastery. Oh, my nun life. So, yeah, people, we all need therapy. Everybody needs therapy. Everybody needs therapy, okay? And you need some very powerful therapy. So it gets to the root of the problem. It gets to the root of the troubles. Truly, we all need this. Tree therapy, you see? I'm doing my 3 therapies right now. 3 therapy. Everybody needs 3 therapy. 3 therapy. See, I think I need 3 therapy. See, I think meaning we need it really, really. So I've decided that, we're going to have monthly group live sessions. Guys, you need to be on your own so that we girls can talk about our things. You know, we need to talk about our things and we can invite woman healers. Yesterday I went to a shamanic womb healing ceremony. It was so powerful. It was a Thai woman. Wow. I said, damn, this woman was powerful. Yeah, it was I went to a sister circle thing. No, it was a retreat, and then they had a woman group, a woman circle, and one of the facilitators at this retreat was a Thai shaman woman. And she was doing this womb clearing, womb healing ceremony, but it was shamanic. It was something else. It was such a beautiful session. And I was just like, I've been doing these sessions for a long time because in Africa, we do this a lot. And it was beautiful to see women come together from all colors. Okay, I was the only black person at the dinner party, which is usually my story. Okay, whatever. But it was just seeing these Caucasian women and these Asian women and a black woman just come together as sisters and do the healing work, because we were focusing on Mother Earth. It was like womb healing for Mother Earth and our own bodies. And I was like, this is so powerful. Women getting together, healthy women, not these crazies, getting together. But like, what are we going to do with these crazies? I don't know. They need to go somewhere else, not in my world. But like women getting together and just recognizing that your pain is my pain. Because when you're in pain, you're inflicting pain onto me. And I don't need your pain. I need you to be healthy. You know what I mean? I need myself to be healthy so that when I'm walking around here in the streets, I'm not inflicting pain on other people. Seriously, this is a thing. But it was so beautiful to see women just come together in this beautiful session. Then I went to another healing session. It was sound therapy, like they were using the gong. It was like bong, bong, sound therapy. And I used to do that sound therapy by myself. I had a huge Chinese gong in my home in Vegas, and I used to just sit there and gong away. Gong away, gong away. I love sound therapy. I really love gong sound therapy. It's so powerful. So because I'm on the hippie island, I can get all of these powerful teachers to really help us like clear out this energy, really clear out this energy. So yeah, woman, we're going to be doing these things together, okay? We have to do these things because we are the ones bringing in children into this world. We can no longer bring in children that are traumatized because we're traumatized. But guys, you know me, love you a long time. So you're going to be on the other side and we're going to do one for you. I just need to finish the month 1 for the woman and then finish those videos, which I'm almost done. And then I'm going to work on you for you guys. Guys, it's important to go to therapy. Seriously, it's important to go to therapy. I need to go eat my lunch. So it's really important for us to try different modalities. If you're like so stuck in this narcissism and you're feeling bad about yourself and you're like, how am I ever going to get out? How am I ever going to recover all these years that I've lost it? Don't you worry, girl. Me got you long time. I got you. Seriously, I got you. I very got you. Therapy, because therapy can be very expensive. You know, like a good therapist, you're looking at $500 to $1,000 an hour. Okay, so middle class therapy, like okay, $250 an hour, and then the other ones, I don't know what. But if you're dealing with a therapist that doesn't know what they're talking about, especially when it comes to narcissism, it's a shit show. Honestly, it's a fucking shit show. But look at this. Tree therapy. I'm going to work it out with you, Boo Kitty. I'm going to work it out with you. Tree therapy with nature. So everybody can get therapy. And what I'm thinking of doing is that for everyone who, we need therapy. The world is craving for good therapy. It's desperate for it. It's desperate. We're at a time in human consciousness where we cannot ignore this anymore. The bad decisions people are making is out of control. Truly, it's out of control. So, welcome to Radiance. You look at me. You must say your affirmations every day. I am as strong as a tree. Yes, radiant as the sun. Creative as the beauty of life. And give thanks every day. I am so thankful, 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 thankful. I am so thankful, 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 thankful. I am so thankful, thankful, thankful. Oh, my food is burning. No, my water is going to be burning. And give thanks to Grandfather Sun for giving you radiance, because I'm just damn radiant. And so are you. You are radiant like the sun. Way! We are moving. It's going to be so lovely. Welcome to life. Life is good. Bye. I'm going to go eat my lunch. Bye. Please like and subscribe, okay? And share these videos so that we can all have therapy. Because tree therapy. Because therapy is very important. And in the comments below, let me know let me know if you're afraid of therapy. And if you are, why would you be afraid of therapy? And if you have been to therapy and it hasn't worked, if you don't mind sharing, let me know. Or you can just tell me what you're eating for lunch. Because honestly, we need to share our recipes. I like my vegan hot pots and stuff like this. You can have hot pot with meat and stuff like this, but I like my vegan ones. Yeah. It's very nice. I like my hot pot with fish too, but today is just vegan stuff. Okay, let me know in the comments below. I'm learning from the YouTubers. The YouTubers are teaching me, so they're telling me that you must say, please like and subscribe and share. You bet them like and subscribe and share. And then in the comments below, telling me, telling me, what's your favorite foods? Okay, have you been to therapy? Do you like therapy? If therapy has worked for you, or why you might be afraid of therapy. You bet them, let me know. Because if you don't let me know, I don't know how to help people, kid. I don't know. Okay. Bye.